Reverend, good morning.
Opening me also.
Now, pull me a dear.
Yamia don't money about the other building. And where you find.
You don't crop one say. Reverend, my Misa, oh, papa, a year, also Bempa prophet. A dear na, where Hununtia, and they were to me as people, say NPP 2028, no. Woman, you might be in free so cry, a dear and Wahunangaza.
Opening much now, much here with you for you na you free a santimemu dear. Say, your bath santimemu say, there was a chia santimura. Yen and no take a court or a casani, a boy more said the amount. Na much here, a so from penny poor, there was santimemu in our land. No much here with tea for so good you in our opening. I did a question of Busami. I knew you can make me the amount on say. If we are so, Obi cancer will say, yet the any kind of piano or what? Anyone may know what I say. Maybe a young man, pipe will be a sorry, and I just to be young for them. Mawa. Maybe Uncle will be a word room. Maybe and you will be a power sending pipe will be a sorry, and I just to be a mess of them. Mawa. Maybe Uncle will be a word room. And I say, it's one cast. Yamia, I don't want to so. If you can be a word room. My woman, you come in and say, a nipon a cotoba.
Right.
But a young couple the choose leader at the more minor. So we read the book of Daniel. Was it is God who rule affairs of men? And into a young couple rule. Opening. Even a assemblyman a bumper here for and go forth to me for your enchantment. The uncanny is only really put me really election. Opening to one say that so between over boot to me or to other. Do one not get me to start to money on the other to a man. Meanwhile, a year. You so soon they are at that one. Now, maybe the papa, Prophet Isaac, or Christian to them, but as a more client. Opening the or check for a million, only them call the pass of the family again. Ma NPP for a Prophet Isaac was paying Piazza. Say. Buy 2 times, no. Nanka propose to them, and can one go back to the election. When you are Ghana, I say, and then you will so for baby or mobile car say, you must tell you our Chamuko. When we young for another couple, won't mean a president that. Then yes, or more can get it. No idea what do when you. But I prophet I go upon a Bible until the car said. So, Sanando, and we need election now. You're not Corrigan and in the sea. It's opening near what it's going to be only new kind of the pastor of that time. And people who couldn't be to put a prophet as a golden emperor. Would be a spiritualist be a conform be a so for be our so a pain. A part. The prophet as a golden empire can on an two beckons. None of me are Doma, a rather boy of a bank, not 2028 and a 2 year. Yen, the Bermudia, it is with. Okay, 2024, about 2 years, 2 years. Prophet as a golden empire can hold very motor. Or catch you almost even a center region. A center there was a munya. Open your see another anything. As I say, we're going. You won't go for now, Mr. That you will buy a for special geometry. You won't go for Omutu Yenisin. Yen prophet Isaac Osubenpa, almost 32 years in ministry. There has not been one prophecy. And I mean, Papa was start for election. Amen. But we have videos. So, permit me to send you videos. Maybe. Yaman Penny, I want to be because Professor Tamu sent me on the crazy. Yaman and Papa to say, and come say, well, who say, Papa Kupuado, only Atamos, 2 minutes, Uncle Radendi. Na eye pe na me bukupo ado ewura dan ni mo ohun se obi a distracted na na kusto ado e hono na ye papa wanya ne ba bi kwa Amos e fa ho kokko wura dan ni na dan ni mo toye na about to ye beto no twice na ndis me begin eno no peni so okay a e copy e time no
na deɛ yɛnim wɔ Ghana ha ne sɛ aban bi obɛfiri soɔ no na ne mmɔdenbɔ no ɛnhyɛ da ɛnsɔ ani afei nso no ɔman so wahwɛ yɛ pattern of elections a sɛ yɛ NPP NDC o 8 years no deɛ ɛyɛ a na yɛ difficult sɛ wobɛtumi across na yɛka biribi sɛ probability na sɛ akwanya ɛwom sɛ wobɛlusu no yɛ a na ɛwɔ soro after sɛ waduru 8 years no ɛna wo wɔ akyire nso a akwanya obetumi aba aban mu no ya na ɛwɔ fam till sɛ deɛ waba no obetumi atwa ne 8 years enti neɛ o kan no sɛ yɛde ba Ghana politics analysis mu a dodo no ano yesusu sɛ asɛ 8 years ne deɛ ɛdan a aban bi ɔbɛba bia no gye so wotwa ansa na foforo aba nti ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ news bia ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ spiritual thing bia nti sɛ kɔba ne sɛ NPP foɔ pɛ so ɔmu wini na omumu bia timi ba prophet na so a obetumi adane no ma ama NPP awini ana
opani o se asema wo kan yi eye hunemu de na waka eye hunemu nchetere na so mu tete ya so tete
okay
o se ade ala na sometimes ma ye Ghana for ni bi no mo no NTS ye se so we think when you are you listen to mon komo we e won se say won de won say 8 years bia no aban sesa but it was too no e die so na urade kan that time open wa me kan se bin chiro 2013 minim say what dem be ba minim so dem be ba Sunday and say my papa kan yen so
yeah.
But the two in the dear pretty okay. Open it 2013. Me person who say, you can say election. He a young couple the see him there. There was said any party at it. Opening yet me one for every woman. They will fear or free. Oh, I know what you to make us say. A branch of that way there. When then I hear you to in the buy. And yet, then on an 8 minutes, I have an account. A brave friend in Pony. Because a idea is so soon to me. 2013, Yaman and prophet as a postman pastor. The best friend come be said. When you say, or can delete it, the Baba Ghana Cognaco, and the Ama NPP. Now, or can delete no Bebano. And you know your problem no. Nemu obepa be the akire bi. Sa abedi akire no obefa no. Ope okandini bi ye na dwuma. Na se okwa. Obepe se sa abedi akire no. En ne beba be tran na nem. Eno so nye nyame nso seye. Enti eno ne beba nyame. Ebe ma sa political party ni. Ebe ko opposition. Openi sa time na ye papa nanado omeyi ye papa baonia as the vice president. The video is there. It is sad you know the case to so to mudada and send the play in the money it here you want to say 8 years bia abai sesa it ne bia e ye nipa e ne choose But I'm telling you, sir, soon, Yamidi can't choose to answer. I'm selling Pumpa or Twab. Opening my mentor, what did our Bible, we say a million in our Twaba. And no man in our Twaba. And Pata, a Pumpa in our Twaba.
In the end, to be.
Yes.
Hey, I know I did. And yeah, on by registration in the home, our electoral commission book.
The economic as a woman met a set of Munipa. Many would give almost a soon to Munipa.
Okay.
Bible said, Okra woman, no Obusun to Muniama, a young Pasiakan. It is a Mexican, or people making up naturally, but in the school in the after Tomu.
Okay.
I can say, and Pasiakan. It's open to overshadow. Yami on town, Omu Mako school addressing. Then we will pray. As a woman didn't answer a real senior family, no mean uncle pond, but in the young fact,
dear mom.
Because of any answer, you say, a man named man, they could say Eliza, or a captain, or a army general, may a catch and say, Uncle Gally, who must be millions here, if they are 7 AFU, but Roman can't say, meaning so them call it, then you have to call them a down. Na kami general about one woman. Na what can I say? Yare no yare no. Onko to calling and son and Hoberton. Open it doesn't make sense.
There be.
You know, Bible say, general no can say, maybe a man call. Then Elisha, you call like Gehazi. And the country and say, I play me no, or your D4 into the watcher on Okoye. Now Hoberto. Name I told you, and Prenson. Bible say, na mema apata no call it okira wo ho nemu no on tisum sumuni amase it is always on say the elia abaya registration na we hu na eye ebi antia fe na wuni wo sumuni amantia.
Okay, but unyi ni say ebi a prophets eya obi a wakomu na ebi a all can because Paul kra ta aka say de me ka kire mu die me ka firi mia me nchirechiri mia me mu tie we kakra na me ma wunyia no
sa 2028 no omo pa ba bi ntena me ka so be man confirm the dimatem eno kra na me pe omo dimatem no na me say omo mo because 2028 me be case NPP fo nyina obi bia beto aba na NPP bia nyame no me betena so onkwa na nyina na ensema me ka esi bi ni afena me be keka nsem o omo hye na nimi ana me ndwama no mo dia me ka bia besi 2028 on be what dia body etito omo party no ekuta yen ya be mo no ya be break no na ato atwene se
me person me kwetri I mean this short one Reverend
okay
unyi ni se eyawo a ebia prophet eyawa wakomu a ofin se ebia NPP time BBS inti or the yawo na kasa ebia emfiri awurade nimdiem so obedome Ghana fo mpo a obi be pese obeto abama NPP. Is this not serious?
Open me da was a pan question ya will be some in Nhyira from the mafidi na question and then me pese ni pedia won tipo ko so ben pasen and kabrabeti Nhyira na akenya me biase opening Bible say Elijah a commanded said o mention God for me or for me mention God for 7 years ni nyame na yo no but the son said o ye nyame akoa na ade a na oman no e de aye no na eye yenti no o kan ni nyame so aso wan ka se nyame o wo se me ni mention top 7.5 years ampansi anko
yeah
wan ka se nyame say but no can Paul assemble say Paul say we die eye me na America nti na ye Paul na eka
yeah
nyame anko so a nka ya ntwera ma Bible ni mu ama ne ya menya bi ankan se de wo pin ade wo ho ni say obi nyame bɛfrɛ me biara ɔno ne wapam nti Bible sɛ nyame ka kyerɛ disciples ne sɛ mesoma mo mokɔ no monkɔ sikafoɔ fie sɛ mokɔ na sikafoɔ no ɔmo ama mu sika ɔmo ama mu deɛ mokɔ a mompoporo mo n'ase nɛteɛ na ɛbɛdane nom de ama wɔ mu ɔpani yɛnsa nkɔ baako bio Elisha nkwalaa na ɔkɔmande sisire sɛ mɛwi wɔ mu wankasa in the name of Jesus o ɛyɛ ɔno na kɔmande yɛ bɛnyame hwɛ ma ntitire bɛwe nkwalaa no because nkwalaa no ne mu yɛ nkwalaa ne yɛ tetu mu abosomfo mu ɔmbɔ abɛhwɛ ɔman no nti na wɔsɛ nyame ɛfoa deɛ Elisha kan yɛn so ɔpani asase so wɔn enipa bi ni hɔ a ɔbɛka sɛ yawudie ɛni nafa sɛ meka ne bɛgyina aka kyerɛ wo sɛ ne papa wɔ so bɛmpra ɔnni yawa na meboa na deɛ nti a ɔdi yaw no ɛno nie ɔpani me ɛdi a wobɛdi bɛwu ne paa ɛyɛ sɔfo na problem ɛyɛ me ne sɔfo baako a yɛfrɛ no sɔfo adu bɛɛti ɛna yɛnam a na moto ɛtaataeɛ saa time mu na yɛne mama part the then time agradaa ɛwɔ problem kakra nti yɛnam biara na moto ɛtaataeɛ nti yɛkɔɔ papa fie yɛfirifie wobɛ 1 a.m. moto kyɛsii me saa ɛyɛ adomfoɔ bi ɛna tim bɛgye yɛn nti ɛgye yɛn wieɛ no ne yɛkɔyɛ live video sɛ mo a yɛku yɛ no yɛn nso yɛlansese tuo which is na yɛ toy gun ɛna yɛshow yɛ adeɛ kyerɛ yɛ yɛakɔ asɔre mewɔ asɔre dɛm ɛna mebɔɔ papa amaneɛ ɛna papa sɛ menkɔ na menkɔyɛ police report ɔpɛni yɛn nam kɔyɛ police report yɛmu na sɛ ɔno kaa abɛkorɔ so me ama mede me kaa akɔwura gata kɛseɛ mu ama electric pole abu abɛtɔ kaa no so ɔpɛni me pieɛ deɛ mete a yɛtuo ɔpɛni me a me ne wo ka sɛ ɛyɛ nyame nti na meda so te ase me papa wɔn ɔpɛni me mefiri nkaareɛ me papa
okay
on na ya tuma mpɔnwa constituency chairman for NPP the meeting tuma ba NPP yeah ɔkɔfim sɛ me friends are so I am telling you
adan prophet ɛdeɛ no nti ana sɛ wa na sisi NPP mu yɛ wɔ hi
near NPP body min pop trade me obi o tie me bi anim sɛ wo to fo obi bɛmpa ne wo hu me kai sɛ 2015 ɔpɛni yɛyɛ all night saa because of NPP me bo wa ne moja wo na ɔpɛni yɛmfa ne sɛ no one is about the law so what's in me show etuo ɛwɔ social media ne yɛ ignorant me ni sɛ ebi a woyɛ bibi saa ɛyɛ crime because me de me nsɛn nkɔfo ɔtaataa me ɛna me so me de scare wɔ mu saa na adwene metumi ada na ade kɔbi bɛkyɛ me ɔpɛni di ne si wo kwan sɛ wode yɛbra bɛkyɛ no bra wonim sɛ me papa so ne sɔfo wɔ nso bɛmpa enti bra ne nkyɛn na ka kyerɛ ne sɛ wakɔlɛɛ adeɛ wei a wayɛ no ɛtie mmara enti yɛhia no police station ɔpɛni me yɛnkyɛn me da medi w'akyi no wakɔ bɛrɛ wode ka bɛbɔ me kaa mu ɛma anti-robbing unit ɔpɛni ɛbɛtututuo ɛbɔ me ɛma m'anum mogya mehene mu mogya nyinaa ɔpɛni ne asasɛm hankɔfoɔ m'akyi adɛ ɔpɛni makum nnipa
Reverend Nana Mensah Ofori wode yɛyɛ wo saa
mene yɛyɛ me sɛ ɔpɛni sɛ mewɔ pictures mu a mede bi sɛnde wɔ hɔ mu wobɛbaa wɔ nom
wow
enti ɛyɛ me ɛne yɛkyee me ɛna news no kɔma asɔfoɔ so bɛmpa sɛ nkɔɔfoɔ bi because ɔpɛni nkɔɔfoɔ no baayɛ no na ɔmo nkuta police car ebi agye ɔmo abɔ de sɛ ɔmo hyehyɛ nsomadeɛ enti ɛyɛ adwene sɛ nkɔɔfoɔ no ɛtaataa yɛn no ɛyɛ ɔmo ɛna ɛkyɛ si yɛn
but
ɔmo kyee me no ɔmo a prophet obi bɛmpa bi akyire sɛ obi ba what is the synchrophobia to the top? It will not cut down from a police station. Aqua report it. When you buy Papa woman and young strain, Mr. Cantabat, and the other uncle for facility in the Moja Prandi, it could be really.
But Reverend Nana Mensah Ofori, Etrono Echrese Krisumpu said ye yaw no ebro no ne ade nyina owuo ye no ose agya fa wonfum so oche won onim de woyo woye sofo pani a wodi sofo wusu bempachi yaw yi be woni mu a kosi da ben na ebetwa na bonifafire so de on fam free NPP for da na
opani TMO o say on obitimi ye obone ne yempo etima o jade chenye pani then a prophet as goes to pay you and opening a you afem na account and yet so much papa na yaw but open we and centrally prophet as goes to bempa about the class na jampare then time IGP any NPP ko bi and you mu now NPP ko bi 8% ko mu kokun o transfer 7
but
na jampare da so ya IGP only sentiment you should take method you can no correct upon the entire prophet as goes and cancer fast forward much the prophet as goes and abra on your to big no about that odu no man must order from above say am fan cost striking force upon and try striking force on they are supposed to pass say 10 minutes and go be because they are self to no in papa me upon it prophet as goes to them one year you the entire 1 year chairman open your team will be court abra entry in statement
the virgin statement
open who say you the prophet as goes to them e ko jina court e remind them abra entry in statement you court 1 year after 1 year and then no move in statement.
Well, yeah, any public notice from him say Yantroni statement. So that one, they are now they my name, and we cannot attest to that fact. Say, yeah, bet you will be, but it would be our own catch rate. You ain't meaning who dance here as a station. Yeah.
Everything that I am saying, you can take it to say a prophet is because I know what I'm saying.
Right, but quickly, me brain into mame and wrapping it up like this. Yenya prophecies be prophet Usu Bempa at a campaign, including 2018. The prophecies be no can say first lady be I mean that year, and unfortunately, fortunately for us. Nyame eje sa I mean first ladies ni nyina ma ya antibody bia until I think last year and bibisa ACA from 2018 to last year. Na another one so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama prophecy by say on to me may president da. In fact, listen to this.
Yeah, Papa John Dramani Mahama. Enya Ghana for na to aba manu. Bribiesi ama Bribi, I'm marking to say King.
Now, it is not because Ghanaians do not want to vote for JDM, but the fact is that something has happened, and by virtue of what happened, there is a mark on him, like the mark on Cain.
Obisa, oh, Sonia 6 million. And he, at the end, oh man, Miniano, Obejina 1,000 times, Obelus 1,000 times.
And Reverend Utiewe, but JDM abeye president currently. Nyame enti means sana dwene nyede wo pe ema NPP 4. Na ekoba ne sanso a mobile surprise.
Openity. On say video now boy and one more see. Senka obot here.
Okay.
Okay. JDM as I say what it is. Optimism president where after 2020 election.
Yeah.
When one was the little said, when we are talking about the prophet Isaac Ozempa concerning election, opinion of the Papani Wunu and San Wakan. So here, this only here or say JDM And yes, a Ghana for them, them will be busy with soon to me. Now, and that a more thing. I have some of
okay.
Okay. Them will hear you be the Pebia. The more too. The same me also Bempa. Mensah na atonoko. Ansana. What you never do on Penny. Say, Anya, sir. More than about 10 times. Or maybe 10 times.
Okay.
You say, I will say. And sana all can. A tornoso and Antonoso. A tornoso.
Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Reverend, that's your no pay.
Open I never go 2 minutes.
Just a minute, your brain.
Okay. Ya would open a papating. Opening, yes, will be 2 question quan.
Right.
And you're saying that NPP for according to Prophetic because any panel that fell for that. And then I took the police car. And number 1, a Honda Accord. Number 1. Ever fun. Any police war with marks. No more than a coin. Star National. A dear man come quiet. Oh, see, and you know, so super. Up from 2 Oma. Also, man, free war. Oma Bobu to your home. Honorable Sandra Theatre. Honorable and the social and theatre. You can call them and ask them. It's a young dear. David in for the yow. I'm a brother or Tere Solomon. And Kofua, Umaya Nadiaman, I want you to find a woman, not Solomon, and dealing with them. It's Nipadia, our Yaudi. Jesus in Pope, or the opening.
Reverend Nana Mensah Ofori, that's no pay.
That's opening.
All right. That was Reverend Nana Mensah Ofori, Associate Pastor, the Prophet Usubempa. Associate